Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Zachariah the Ghost. I'm back again with episode 8 of Temptation Island, South Africa. And remember guys, we are still on season 1. And season 1 is just proving to become one of the best. I don't know if we will get season 2 or season 3. But you know, a lot of things happening on this episode. We saw that they eliminated one guy and one girl. And they also went to a bonfire. They also gave the single ladies, you know, a chance to go and choose for their new partners. We can just call them single for now because they came with their partners, but they can do whatever that they want to do for now. That's why I can just call them single, because it looks like everybody is single by now. It is not only Nthabi and MJ. And we also, you know, had MJ, you know, revealing his sexual status when he was like saying, or sexual preference, if you may say, because these things we really, it's just a gray area. We don't know how to address these things. We're still learning because of now MJ, he just revealed that he is bisexual. So it's one of those subjects that, you know, you need to be very careful when you're touching. And because of now, Buntle was like asking, man, do you have any secrets that can come out that I can be surprised? Because, you know, the street is talking, people are talking about this and that. I want to know about your background. I want to know about your family, you know. And it was one of those that I really enjoyed when MJ opened up and started sharing stuff with Buntle. It really shows that he's ready to move on with Buntle, because we know that he's no longer an item with Nthabi. You know, the episode was great, and the reason why I love this episode a lot is because of we have seen guys, you know, discovering themselves, you know, finding certain things about them. Because also Grant, he decided not to take Nicole on a date because of he felt like, you know, Nicole, she's giving him a different vibe, whereby he's 100% open with her, but she's like holding back. That's the chess piece that Nicole is playing, and it's too dangerous, and he saw it. And it looks like he wants to take Lerato on a next date. Because of Lerato, she's a yoga instructor. You know, she is great. She got that great energy. And when she's having a conversation with people, you know, she checked her words and she always makes sure that she listens. There is nothing special than the lady who pay attention to a gentleman when he speaks. I love that the most. And I also saw Angelique, you know, having that connection again with Justin. I think Angelique and Justin, you know, they're connecting so well because of now Musa decided to go to Tate and, you know, speak with Tate again so that they can go out for a date again. And we saw that Precious also decided to go to Dean and speak with Dean so that they can go on a date again. And we saw that Estelle decided to go back to Uzi so that they can have a date again. It seems like people are finding, you know, those romantic moments whereby they're connecting with, you know, the single guys or the single ladies. I'm happy to see that, you know, and I just wish maybe girls like Gigi Lamayne can be given opportunity whereby they can also, you know, be on that space and we can see what they're capable of. Because we saw that Eve, you know, got an opportunity to go out with Fiso again, whereby they can also connect, you know, pick up where they left off before, you know. But I think episode 8 was solid, and I don't know how you guys feel about it. I don't know if you guys saw episode 8. I think it was fire. And still, guys who didn't show up a lot on the previous episode, you know, they were trying very hard to be present. Because we saw CJ, he was also talking to Nthabi of saying, you know what, I need you to be happy. I want to see you happy. And, you know, I'm that guy. You know, I put you first. And we also saw the quarrel between CJ and also Jerry, because of they are all going for Nthabi. And Nthabi, she's single right now. She's a bit confused. She doesn't know what's going on. Because on the bonfire, MJ, he also said, you know, life goes on. Because MJ, he is, you know, willing to continue with Buntle. So it's going to be one of those, because I'm like checking who's going to win between Jerry and CJ. But it looks like, you know, Jerry, he has an upper hand because he bought roses for the lady, whereby CJ on the other side, he brought the t-shirt and he wrote a beautiful message on the card of saying, in case you're not feeling well, just wear me. You know, when meaning that she just have to take that t-shirt and wear, it's going to be the symbol of saying she has that of him, And I think it's great because now CJ is going to go out with Ntabi on episode 9. I just don't know if they will give us 10 episodes or they are going to give us 13 episodes. But I think, this TV show is going to be one of those TV shows that we can speak about, for a while. And on the other hand, I had Fiso, talking about he's a changed man. Since he has been with the gents, he just realized that he needs to help. He shouldn't just say, I'm a Zulu man, I'm a cultural man, I need the woman to be submissive to me to do this and do that. He said he has learned that he should cook sometimes. If he will be given an opportunity to be with Musa again, he's willing to do those things that he can make her feel special. And on the other hand, we even had, Fat Joe was saying, guys, on the next episode, episode 9, you will be given a chance whereby you can pre-record the video and send it to your partner so that the partner can know how you feel. The partner can understand the situation and everything. And I just don't wanna, jump into conclusion, but I really want to hear what MJ is going to tell Ntabi. Because MJ is wilding out and it is so bad, And I know Fiso, he's already said, all the ladies who are there, they are not better than, Musa. Because of everything that they're doing for him, Musa already did it for him. So he already got all those things from Musa. She has all the qualities that all the women combined, they can bring to him. Although they still have the cultural difference, but he is willing to work on that. And I'm happy to see when the brother is learning some of the things that he thought they are cool. Now when he's in the space of other people and he see how people, behave from different family backgrounds and also cultural space, how they treat women, and he's learning a lot of saying it is not that way of saying because of your working you can bring money and this and that, and the woman has to be in the kitchen and do all the type of stuff and do the washing and also do the cleaning. Sometimes you need to show up, sometimes you need to help where you can help. It's the same thing I was just saying from maybe episode 2 or episode 3 of saying sometimes you need to help where you can. If you cannot clean, make sure that you go and wash cars. If you cannot do that, make sure that at least you can cook. If you can cook, make sure that you can do the washing or do the ironing. Just do something to show that you are active in the house. That's all I was trying to say. And the same thing I was saying, we saw that, Precious was also complaining about. She was like saying, Grant doesn't do anything. He just want to wake up and sleep and go out. And that's it. So he's also saying he's learning to start to do certain things, those smaller things. But I'm happy the gents are learning. I'm happy they're doing, those little steps whereby they can improve themselves, and you can't hold anything against them, man. They're just trying their best. They are learning. They are here to discover themselves. It's a journey. And I love how Justin is open also. And he understands that, Esther really likes, Uzi. Because of all the things that Uzi is doing is the things that Esther wants. So far we will see, guys, how many people will go home with their partners. But it is late, it is happening. That's the reason why I review TV shows like this. Because I watch only the best TV shows, nothing less. I am that guy. And I appreciate you guys showing me love and support as usual. Thank you.